The fifth product on our list is the Alesis Recital Grand. If you're a keen amateur or a professional looking for a more convenient way to make beautiful music, a digital piano like this one from Alesis is just what you need. Any experienced pianist knows just how important it is for emotion and nuance to shine through during a performance. That's why this Recital Grand digital piano utilizes multi-sampling technology to deliver a much more lifelike playing experience. We like that it comes with premium multi-sampled voices, 128 max polyphony, and a custom-voiced 50-watt microarray with a built-in speaker system that sounds full regardless of room position and surface placement. This makes the Recital Grand ideal for beginners, intermediate players, and professionals alike. This unit is the perfect substitute for owning a full-size acoustic piano without compromising on authentic piano-weighted key specification and feel. What's more, whether you're purchasing a piano keyboard for adults or a digital electric piano for kids, the Recital Grand's education package also won't disappoint. It provides over 60 free interactive lessons from Melodics, so buying this device could be the best way to build your full-size keyboard piano skills and overall confidence. We found that this is an excellent choice for full-sized keyboard piano practice. The sustain pedal, music rest, and power adapter, along with lesson and record modes, will help you or your child to develop your electric keyboard piano skills in no time. Its pros are: its multi-sampling technology is very realistic, it has well-weighted keys, and it has optional educational packages to aid tutoring. However, it lacks a dedicated headphone jack. The Alesis Recital Grand is a perfect device for practicing your piano skills at home,